Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. So when I am writing here Leela, we are able to add it successfully, right? So we have achieved this one. So I am writing Leela. So we are able to edit this one all. So here also I am able to add it. So these are all the things we are able to edit, and here also we are able to update these all the things. So fine. So now let's try to submit this form, bill share thing. Now if you go to our output, so here this is our bill share, and here this is our output. Okay, now we need to convert this one into a control element form. So control form elements, we need to convert it. So here for this one, what I will try to do is, so here I will create the variables to save the data. So for this one we will be having a bill. So for this one, constant bill comma set bill is equal to use state of empty. So for the first time I will keep it as an empty, and this one should be value is equal to bill, and here also on change it should be e, and it should be set bill of e dot target dot value. Okay, so this is also done. Now for this one also we need to save the details. So for this one, what we can import this use state here, use state, and here also we need to have a friend. So constant friend comma set friend is equal to use state of, this one is also empty, and for this one also we need to maintain for this one. So here it should be value for this one, right? Value only we need to maintain for this one also. Value is equal to friend, and on change is equal to, here also e set friend of e dot target dot value. Okay, done. Oh sorry, e dot target dot value. So this is also done. Now we got the values. Now when the form is submitted, on submit, so we need to submit the bill. So submit bill, we'll be having submit bill. Now here let's create the method for this one, function submit bill. So here you'll be having an event, and we need to do event dot prevent default, so in order to not to submit the form by default. And here we will be getting the friend ID and also the bill details. So we got the friend ID, we'll catch the friend details from that one. So single friend is equal to, so friends, we got the friends details dot find, I will be finding the friend. So friend, oh sorry, fr, we will do fr, and here what I can do is, so here we need to do the friend plus friend, I am converting it into an integer, is equal to plus fr dot id. I don't want to take the risk, both the things I am converting. So here I will get the single friend. So what is this single friend is, so if I try to show you the details for this one, so whenever you are selecting the, what I can say, this drop down, single friend drop down, so here we will be able to get the friend ID. So here you will be having on click, here is where could be this one, on click, I think somewhere it could be vanilla.js, where it will be this one. Oh, we are not able to find. Okay, for the button, so that means for the button.js, so where we have read it, yeah, here. Okay, fine, done. Let's refresh this page, and we are able to get another, any error, nothing so far, fine. Now here whenever we are trying to add a friend details, okay, unique key property, okay, for this ul and li things we are getting unique key property. Okay, let's go to the friends list.js file, and here we are having this key only, right? So what could be the reason? Here we are getting, and I think in our bill share, we are having again another loop. Fine, right? Here this could be our thing, key is equal to friend.id. Okay, so this could be also one of the reason. So let's try to see again. So I am adding here So we are able to get this. So here whenever we are trying to add, here we are able to get the details, and here also we are able to add it. Now whenever we select a friend here, okay, and he is paying a $1,000 bill. So here when I click on this add bill, so I want to get the complete details of this guy. Why? Because here we are getting only the ID. So I want to get the complete details of this guy. So that is the reason I am trying to search the details. Whenever we get an ID, I am trying to get the details, friend details with that ID. So here we got it, and now I need to prepare the bill details. So he has paid the $1,000, right? I need to prepare the bill details. Okay, fine. Let's prepare the bill details. And here I can do friend ID is equal to friend. So that is nothing but the drop down box which is selected, and the name is equal to single friend dot name. So this which we got it, and our last one is the bill. So bill is nothing but the bill, okay, which the value it has been set. Now I need to send these bill details to the app.js file. So here this could be app.js file, and here in this app.js file we need to add it in this one. So for this one what we need to do is, so we need to create a function on bill paid, function on bill paid, okay, and here we will be getting the bill details for this method. So I am adding the bill details, and here we will write the code. So we will console that bill details, console.log of bill details, okay. So now this bill on bill paid should be passed, so should be passed to the friends bill share. So here this is the bill share, and here what I can say is on bill paid, okay, is equal to on bill paid. So that's it. So now on bill paid we got it, and let's go to the bill share, and here also I will add it on bill paid, and here we need to call this on bill paid of bill details. So that's it. So we have did this one. Now on bill paid is done. Now if you try to see here, bill details we are passing it, and we are consoling the details. And now here let's see the output, we are able to get it or not. Why this debugger is there? Yeah, fine. Let's remove this one. So fine, here let's go into here, and so far so fine, everything is good. And I am adding here my name. So I am adding here, so Leela is coming, and here also it will be coming, and I am adding another name also. Now Leela pays $1,000 bill to friends. So now this bill has to be shared between the two friends, that is nothing but Leela and Deva. So they both went to the restaurant, and Leela has paid the $1,000 bill. So that means Deva has to pay again $500 bill. So if I click on this add bill, now here if you try to see, so who has paid the bill, we are able to get it. Who has paid the bill, we are able to get it. Bill has 1,000 rupees, and this one all we are able to get it. So these all details we are framing it here, where we are framing it in this bill share. So these details, and these details we are able to get it through the app.js. Now we got the bill details, and we got the details who the user has paid, that is nothing but Leela has paid it, and we got the bill details, and we need to capture all the friends, and we need to share this $1,000 bill to between these two friends. So this is the thing we need to do it. So here what we need to do, so here we need to write the logic to share the bill between all the friends which are available in our friends list. So in the next video we will try to do this is somewhat we will be doing the logic. So we will implement this one in the next video. So I am committing this all the code in a new branch, that is video-36. So video-36, whoever may be having doubts or anything, so here you can check this one all. So the link is provided in the description below of every video. Whoever may be having a doubts for this code reference, they can go to that particular branch and can refer the code. So that's it guys about this bill share thing. So next video you will write the logic of sharing the bill between all the friends. Hope you understood about this one. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.